Kemgum Zenam, the Hwansugi, the display pay Yakunang Shat, having on the gold medal celebration re, the Hwansu Kulepe Mangokyanang to the Tangos Zero Yinella, the Zenam display, the Siruna Lenge. Would you like to go to the castle in bed?
Well, yeah, it's a traveling exhibit. It's wonderful.
딱지를 해주 슈브데 카메라.
Yeah.
이슈 최병에 된데 군주직이 리체도.
Kuba
하게 사자들 최도 구바도 이제.
let's say.
그러다 군주 레이스 베지 보면 보면.
Ingira. Let's say.
구바 담고 됐다 대차.
Or 91. It was 91 because that's when the Dalai Lama was here. And he was the first president of ICT, which is why he's in the picture.
He had dark hair. This is wonderful picture.
The ICT ne Kwansugi, the Dishugarisha, Tango the Katagi organized Chira, an exhibition day.
다가 주문하는데 지금.
Inge the Jerona, the Pang Dine, the exhibition. The Lange. So, Bushta and Pombu, someone in the Dade. Selina. And get the Takamum Zenam.
세계에서다 유신 제백 감랑하는 저 산에 기미만서 딱 공서적 분들라 제고 청마 제교육의 보급 충분히 제자들이 딱 놓치게 제라 안나라 저 총리 사발 목표열에 안딘데 송자 연결인데 상말로 지 각쇼를 꿈나무 세당 남내 연결 직송주 주요 그거 라발라 직시라기 가수다 다음에시 먼저 군주 단다 ICT 레슬레다 되주 고작 치도물라 아니 먼저 공을 대동라 딱게 상마 다음에시 산에 민만 상월이야 대링 주진다 대외 통해 상마 장주주의
We are a bit late, it's Indian time, I'm sorry for that. Because I'm from India, I'm sorry for that. Now, someone noticed there, that also, some of the Pondo, the Tunji Sonson, Pegana, the Chino was Jungle Chimbo Chalaya, Fama Yeg, Tobel Substitute, that's picture of Shui. tanda kondo nga zo tungje suma shi sure tanda sege sengda de nga zo la ya mix sege jaba kar chaw suna ido dyu no la ya nga zo de yesa nga bu America chozo dyu thang la bu dyu chi gyu na shap zo ko 아니 간소 아메리게 신신 대갑게 조지 부시다 아니 아메리게 저저 오메게 다토소 잠nen세 플로시 다 망고치게 펜네 군들라 체드슈네 생다피에도 추어레 디젤야 겨울무시 마추기나네 사말랑한테 페제 미치치기 좀 요래 사말랑한테 겨울무치게 계산게 간소게 겨울무치 수네 간소셰 야부 추어레 사말랑 수 되는 거다 근데 겨울무치 걸로 부치 페요레 이번에 단대 겨울무치게 거두네 가나마데 겨울무치 수네 간소게 인지민지 간소게 나렌다에 계시모르 하나 사말로 나도 별로 사말로 요도 저 겨울무치 다 가나마 다란치 이제는 약속을 에미사 게슈모 버체 아니 니버는 디 당간소 링민 당간소 니도 니스상하다 니도 있어도기 시지기 나서 외도 고주고요래 참에 킹고요래 당간소 자베는 지도당라야 그뒤에 지시지 워셔발라 디스라링 중고 발로 이는 단다바도 맞도 디스나라 내주게 중요 말에 이는 다 단다실라야 간소 CG 외도 대배 돈에 간소 산에게 외도 당간소 소중시 소요래 이게 방아서 배구 시위 디나라야 부중스라체 아니 배마데줄라체 까마자술라체 이네 기안 상원울라체 배마도줄라체 도지담들라체 아니 상와 라말라이 분한스 비디오 아니 간서 당간소 지도 뒤에 마다 조조팀이 정말 나란서 산에게 미 뒤에 저상간소네 들사님만 손소이 이나 간소네 가용 지요진 간소 시장 치세낭세 상마시는 간소 외쇼디 간소네 다 단다바도 간소 내주하고 중요한 간소나야 간소 보조에 들사님만 손도체 발로 이나 신기 다 단다 외쇼 펜발라야 니도 니생아 바도 간나 상매기 라데 정부지 정부 표사고 간나 상말로 단다 디체다나다 칠라몰라기 능기요레 다르미 분한이 다 테마니 외쇼 두나야레 디 소소 두나나 인지민지 외쇼 펜발라 탭정부 고집이 고래 간나 상매기 고래 이네 진짜 죽지 배터리 비쪽에 이면 쪽에 봐도 저쪽에 생기나 외쇼 배야 요래 이나 뭐저 시로나 다자베 그뒤나 간서 외쇼다 제베 돈에 간서 전전에 주단기 로진 조시도 참마 마피고요 참마 시로나 어디 쇼인다 개치셔도 와로 and my friends Leslie family Amala and Gayrechi thank you for coming okay
두유몰라 아니 아리 최소네 아니 세키 생다기 진호 콘세점을 줄몰라 bü시랑 말에 디 bü시 갑라 헤디디 디 갑라 무엇을 차리는 게 된다 고 진동라데 슈데레 디인디 한 디냐도 된다 소소게 소나서 디 갑라 아니 나라서 참마 조소기 소강 뒤인데라 결혼시 치표나네 참마 가워트저나네 가정나네 아니 먼저 코란스 손지 슈데바 진지 슈디 파지 얘기 디강라 미세지 얘기 다 넘버 저기 무엇을 결혼시 대 치표나 세기 땅마디 시행랑 되기 디 참미기 시디 미세 얘기 디강라 캐슈 모스 호스 디지 제소 저베 다 근데디레 단단 먼저기 결혼시에다 공로 춘두에 내서는 다가도 아니 잠바다 닝제 디가라 아니 차례 슈 딘진낭 데어리스와 디인디 가두이네 나란서 비미치 임베 차네 나란서라 랭게 파마지요리 디다 녜 주모 어제 창미 캔디레 나란서기 비미치 임베 차네 나란서 랭게 가리요마데 랭게 파마 시행기 개가 랑제를 농바기 미다 나란서 비미 바라라 랭게 파마디 나란서 랭게 파마 가리요바디 디 창미기 캔디 워리로 디인디 디가라 한타데 겨울시 가두이네 나란서기 미라 페마톤에 뉘마게스는 딜리시 가두이네 겨울시 깔로 가두이 펜에 딜리 소나디 워리 디인디 나란서 비미치 임베 차네 코란 공기 공바다 디랑 간주기 샤크 치고야 되는 저 배드랑 캔처벌을 상대도 디 남서라 얘기 단도 권이 렌드이 남서 상호 페고를 더루이네 모트니 디나로 체스탄 티슈에 아니 답지게 당만 디감직 샤샤나 파지티기 상대도 아니 된다 외두다 제베기다 된다 공원 소소게 아마 소나서 다니디 외두디 가서 배 캔처벌직 차고 시진이 외두디 디디 나란수기 체진나라 비미나라 랭게 쿠샤가 디기 아주 개가 체실직 차고래 디디 나란수 다리기 외두기 디나라 체시 내야다 디 차상시 파징에 나란수기 랭게 차고래 비미 유도 쪽이 랭게 차고래 비미 유도 쪽이 통당에 차고 디 예바도 참배기 농수쇼로 나왔던 디슈이 다들된 진호 건설경의 점수 어제 치료 때마다 공기시원 타다 공기 주변 예문 디슈이 되지나
Most of you have seen or worked with her, and then he has been like maybe for like more than 3 decades, who has worked for Tibet, who is a friend of Tibet, who is a friend of Kata, who is a friend of Tibetans, and then today we have requested her because on the occasion of the 80th anniversary of the Congressional Gold Medal, that time everyone knows that a special envoy Kasul and Lodi Guerrilla, who was very instrumental in having our Tibetan issue in the front, in the Hill, and in the White House, and who worked with the late Kasul and Lodi Guerrilla. We have Kasul Lodi Guerrilla's personal secretary, Leslie over here, who's going to share our experience working with Lodi Guerrilla, and also how we have this Congressional Gold Medal to award it to Dalai Lama. And I invite Leslie, and for the last, and then before she come over here, I want to share one anecdote. When I moved to DC from the New Delhi in 1999, I happened to be one time went to ICT office in K Street. And then I happened to talk with Lodi Guerrilla Rinpoche. And that's around 11 a.m. Leslie came and said that, Rinpoche, here's the fire. The taxi is waiting there. You have to go. So professional. Thank you very much. Leslie, very professional. Yeah, thank you very much.
Hello, everyone. Tashley. Many of you know me, and it's actually a great honor to speak up here tonight on this really incredible day, anniversary. There are two people. Many people worked to have the U.S. Congress present the Congressional Gold Medal to His Holiness, but two people without whom this would not have happened. One is Nancy Pelosi, who was Speaker of the House at the time, and there was no other Speaker of the House or member of Congress who would have made this happen except Nancy Pelosi. And she would not have done it if Gary Rinpoche had not said, if you do this, we can make it happen. And because without him pushing her, she wouldn't have done it. But once she took it up, she ran with it and was truly the leader of the House. Gary Rinpoche, one of the reasons that there was a little hesitation or concern was that to get the Congressional Gold Medal to anyone, you need 2/3 of majorities of the House and Senate together. You need more co-sponsors on the legislation than we had ever had for any piece of Tibet legislation that had passed up until that point, even the resolutions. You need 2/3, and we ended up with more than that. We ended up with 72% of the House and Senate co-sponsoring this legislation because we were out there, ICT and the Tibetans and all Tibet supporters, and we did this in 5 months, in between May and September. And it was everyone contributed, and we had all the ICT staff going up to the Hill, going into every single room. And one of the first times this happened is that the Chinese took notice of what we were doing, and they really didn't want them to get the gold medal. So every time we had one staffer at the time, and she would go up and she would meet in a congressional office, and she would walk out and she'd walk to the next one. And she kept going room by room. We've all been on lobby day, and you know how you go down the hall. Every time she left, there was this beautiful Chinese woman sitting in the reception area waiting who would follow her in. After she left, the Chinese would go in and talk to the same people. And then she left, and this woman was following her all over the Hill. But no matter what happened, they couldn't do it. We ended up having 387 co-sponsors, breaking all the records. And then President Bush signed it into law, making it, and then he did something that has never happened before, which is a US president publicly appearing with the Dalai Lama. And that sent a huge message and gave a tremendous boost to the issue and to His Holiness. So, after the gold medal, after the act was passed into law and he signed it, there was a whole year before it was actually presented to him. So during that year, we, Gary Rinpoche and Buchon and ICT, we worked very hard on what would happen next at the ceremony, because this was more than it had happened. I mean, even when His Holiness was in the rotunda, back when Tenzin Tetong was head of ICT and representative and all those things, this was so much more. So we worked with them on the creation of the medal. Here's a replica, which I want to present to the Tibetan Community Center, because I don't know if you have one. But the medal itself is something that, with the input of Gary Rinpoche, the U.S. Mint has rules for how it must be. It must have the face of the recipient on it and their name, and the back has a quote of the persons. But this medal, what we made certain happened was, and we worked with the designers and met with them over a series of months to make certain they got it right, because there were a lot of changes. We have here Everest, Kailash, and Amnimachen, represent 3 mountains in the back. So they used that in the creation of the medal. And when it was, the last thing I'm going to say is that the other fun fact about this was, and I tried to really confirm it, but I'm pretty certain it's the only time it's happened that when a Congressional Gold Medal was presented, the nation's highest honor, that there was a second event on the West Lawn, which I think almost everybody in this room was at, that there were so many people who wanted to be there for the occasion. We had to have a second event where everyone could watch, and then His Holiness came out and greeted everyone. And that just shows how special and important of a day it was. And is something I am honored and treasured to have been a part of, and I feel very fortunate. So thank you.
Thank you, Leslie. Now we have gold medal song. Kata's original singers will perform the gold medal song, which was presented in front of His Holiness the Dalai Lama on October 17, 2007. Please, ladies and gentlemen, come up and present your original song, which was composed by ex-prisoner late Tana Jimmy Sambula, and it was kind of the tanga ajikila ngara jusane ajikila number ene penge juya kara na social nangla.
potluck re and the siron alhenge shemo chera and chicken curry do and shala nagada men de pe yapna pesha de henge de mazo ki potluck shala sirona ani de lakin nagani do so the kunde pas so kunde so di